Hey everyone, remember that time you thought you found a foolproof way to make money only to end up with less money than you started with? Yeah, I've been there. Picture this. Me, hyped up on promises of easy crypto riches, diving headfirst into the world of crypto arbitrage. I thought I had it all figured out, ready to watch my portfolio soar. But then, reality hit. Turns out, crypto arbitrage wasn't as simple as those YouTube gurus made it seem. My carefully crafted strategy crumbled faster than a cookie in a toddler's hand. The grand total of my crypto misadventure? A cool $2,000 vanished into the digital abyss. But hey, every cloud has a silver lining, right? At least my epic fail comes with a valuable lesson, and that, my friends, is what I'm here to share with you today. Consider this your crash course in crypto arbitrage, taught by the master of mistakes, yours truly. Let's be real. The crypto space is like the Wild West of finance, exciting, unpredictable, and full of opportunities for those brave enough to venture in. We've all heard the stories of regular Joes turning small investments into fortunes. It's fast-paced, it's volatile, and it offers the potential for huge returns. Who wouldn't want a piece of that action? That's where crypto arbitrage comes in, promising a way to profit from the market's fluctuations without the nail-biting stress of traditional trading. The idea is simple. Buy low on one exchange, sell high on another, and pocket the difference. But as I learned the hard way, there's a lot more to crypto arbitrage than meets the eye. But don't worry, this isn't a sob story about my crypto losses. This is a story of redemption, of turning failure into knowledge, and of helping you guys avoid the same mistakes I made. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about crypto arbitrage, from the basics to the advanced strategies. We'll cover the essential tools and platforms, the hidden fees that can eat into your profits, and the strategies that actually work. By the time you're done watching, you'll be well on your way to becoming a crypto arbitrage pro. So buckle up, grab your favorite beverage, and get ready for a wild ride through the world of crypto arbitrage. And don't forget to subscribe for more crypto tips. I've learned from my mistakes and now make $500/day with crypto arbitrage strategy while sleeping. Check out my video on YouTube. Alright, let's break this down in a way even your grandma who still thinks Bitcoin is a type of vitamin can understand. Imagine walking into a store and finding your favorite sneakers on sale for a steal, like, ridiculously cheap. Now, imagine there's another store across the street selling the exact same sneakers, but for double the price. You'd buy those bad boys at the first store and sprint across the street to sell them for a sweet profit, right? That's basically crypto arbitrage in a nutshell. You're exploiting price differences for the same asset, in this case cryptocurrency, across different exchanges. It's all about finding those opportunities and acting fast before someone else does. Now you're probably thinking, Linus, this sounds too good to be true, what's the catch? Well, my friend, there are a few catches, and trust me, I learned them the hard way. So, where does all this crypto arbitrage action go down? Buckle up, because we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency exchanges. These are basically the online marketplaces where you can buy, sell, and trade all sorts of digital assets, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to Dogecoin and beyond. Think of these exchanges like the different stores in our sneaker analogy. Each exchange has its own inventory, prices, fees, and quirks. The key to successful crypto arbitrage is to be familiar with multiple exchanges and their nuances. Choosing the right exchanges is crucial for maximizing your arbitrage profits. Here's something they don't tell you in those get-rich-quick with crypto arbitrage ads. Speed is everything. Crypto prices are volatile, my friends, like really volatile. We're talking about prices that can swing up or down by significant percentages in the blink of an eye. That means the arbitrage opportunities you spot can disappear faster than a plate of cookies at a tech conference. That's why automation is key in the world of crypto arbitrage. For now, just remember that in the fast-paced world of crypto arbitrage, speed is your best friend. If you found this video helpful, please share it. Now, before you start picturing yourself glued to your computer screen 24/7, let me introduce you to the wonders of automation. Remember those bots I mentioned earlier? These little digital helpers are the secret sauce to consistent crypto arbitrage profits. Think of them as your own personal trading army, working tirelessly around the clock to sniff out arbitrage opportunities and execute trades with superhuman speed and precision. Some are designed for beginners, while others are better suited for seasoned traders. Just imagine, while you're sleeping, sipping margaritas on the beach, or binge-watching your favorite show, your bots are out there in the digital trenches, making you money. That's the power of automation, my friends, and it's one of the biggest keys to unlocking consistent profits in the world of crypto arbitrage. Okay, enough theory. Let's talk about how I managed to turn $2,000 into a cautionary tale. I was so caught up in the hype, the promise of easy money, that I skipped a crucial step: due diligence. I found this arbitrage opportunity, Bitcoin selling for a few $100s less on a smaller exchange. I dove in headfirst, transferring funds, placing my buy order. Everything was going swimmingly. Until it wasn't. The smaller exchange had this hidden withdrawal fee, something so ridiculously high it should have been illegal. Lesson learned: never underestimate the power of fees, those sneaky little charges that can turn a winning trade into a financial flop. Look, I get it, fees are boring. But, trust me, when it comes to crypto arbitrage, fees are the difference between sipping pina coladas on a beach and drowning your sorrows in instant ramen. Here's the deal. Every exchange has its own fee structure, and they're not always transparent about it. Some exchanges hit you with high trading fees, while others make up for it with hefty withdrawal charges. The key is to be aware of all potential fees before you even think about hitting that buy button. Do your research, compare different exchanges, and factor those fees into your calculations. Remember, in the world of crypto arbitrage, every Satoshi counts. Hit the like button if you're learning something new. Want to know how I make $500/day with crypto arbitrage while sleeping? Watch my video on YouTube. Remember that whole need for speed thing I mentioned earlier? Yeah, that wasn't just me trying to sound cool. In the world of crypto arbitrage, speed is absolutely crucial, and here's why. Crypto prices are like that friend who constantly changes their relationship status on Facebook. You never know what you're going to get from one minute to the next. This volatility means that arbitrage opportunities are often fleeting, appearing and disappearing in the blink of an eye. That's why automation is your secret weapon in the crypto arbitrage game. With the right tools and strategies, you can set up your trades in advance, so they're automatically executed when the desired price conditions are met. Okay, let's talk about bots, baby. No, I'm not talking about those clunky robots from 80s sci-fi movies. I'm talking about sophisticated trading algorithms that can execute trades faster and more efficiently than any human ever could. Think of arbitrage bots as your own personal trading ninjas, working tirelessly behind the scenes to identify and capitalize on price discrepancies across multiple exchanges. They don't sleep, they don't get emotional, and they don't make those boneheaded mistakes that we humans are prone to, like, say, forgetting about withdrawal fees. The beauty of automation is that it takes the emotion out of trading. So if you're serious about making consistent profits with crypto arbitrage, automation isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Now before you go diving headfirst into the world of arbitrage bots and platforms, let's talk about choosing the right tools for the job. Just like with exchanges, there's no shortage of arbitrage platforms and tools out there, each with its own set of features, pricing, and levels of complexity. When choosing an arbitrage platform, it's crucial to consider factors like ease of use, security, supported exchanges, pricing, and available features. Do they offer a user-friendly interface? Do they have a good track record of security and reliability? Do they support the exchanges you want to trade on? Most reputable platforms offer free trials or demo accounts, so you can test drive their features and see if they're a good fit for your needs. Remember, the right tools can make all the difference in your crypto arbitrage journey. So, choose wisely, my friends, and may your bots bring you bountiful profits. Subscribe to stay updated with the latest crypto strategies. Alright, now that you understand the basics of crypto arbitrage and why automation is your new best friend, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of actually executing a profitable arbitrage trade. First things first, you gotta pick your battleground. No, I'm not talking about some epic gladiatorial arena, though that would be pretty cool. I'm talking about choosing the right cryptocurrency exchanges to trade on. Remember, each exchange is like its own little ecosystem, with its own set of rules, fees, and quirks. Some exchanges are like the Ritz-Carlton of crypto trading, smooth, reliable, and maybe a little pricey. Others are more like that motel you stayed at on your last road trip. You get what you paid for, and sometimes you wish you hadn't paid at all. The key is to find exchanges that offer a good balance of low fees, fast transaction speeds, high liquidity, meaning there are plenty of buyers and sellers, and a wide selection of cryptocurrencies to trade. You don't want to get stuck with an exchange that charges an arm and a leg for every trade or takes forever to process your withdrawals. Do your research, read reviews, and compare different exchanges to find the ones that best suit your trading style and risk tolerance. Remember, in the world of crypto arbitrage, choosing the right exchanges can make or break your profitability. Section 2, Step 2, the art of the crypto snipe, finding those price gaps. Now that you've got your arsenal of exchanges ready to go, it's time to channel your inner bargain hunter and start hunting for those sweet price discrepancies. This is where the real fun begins. Remember, crypto arbitrage is all about exploiting price differences for the same asset across different exchanges. It's like finding that rare Pokemon card at a garage sale for $1 and then selling it on eBay for $100, except with digital money and way less dust. The key to finding profitable arbitrage opportunities is to be vigilant, patient, and quick on the draw, metaphorically speaking, of course. You need to constantly monitor multiple exchanges, looking for those fleeting moments when the price of a cryptocurrency diverges significantly enough to make a profitable trade. Now I know what you're thinking. Linus, this sounds exhausting. Do I really have to spend all day glued to my computer screen watching charts like a hawk? And the answer is, not necessarily. Remember those awesome arbitrage bots I told you about? This is where they really shine. You can program them to scan multiple exchanges for you 24/7, alerting you or even automatically executing trades when they spot a profitable arbitrage opportunity. But even if you're using bots, it's still a good idea to have a basic understanding of how to identify these price discrepancies yourself. Think of it like knowing how to change a tire. You might not need to do it every day, but it's a good skill to have in case of emergencies. Curious about making $500/day with crypto arbitrage while you sleep? Check out my YouTube video. Section 3, Step 3, Speed Demons Only, why transaction speed is your secret weapon. So, you've found the perfect arbitrage opportunity, a juicy price difference that's just begging to be exploited. You're feeling confident, you're feeling good, you're ready to rake in those profits. But hold your horses, cowboy. There's one crucial factor that can make or break your arbitrage trade transaction speed. Remember how we talked about the volatility of the crypto market? Well, those price discrepancies you're so eager to capitalize on, they don't stick around for long. We're talking about windows of opportunity that can close faster than you can say, Satoshi Nakamoto. If your transactions are slow, you risk missing out on those profitable trades altogether. By the time your funds are transferred to the exchange with the lower price, the price might have already adjusted, leaving you empty-handed, or worse, with a loss. That's why it's crucial to choose exchanges known for their fast transaction speeds and to factor in potential network congestion when planning your trades. You want to make sure your funds are moving as quickly and efficiently as possible so you can capitalize on those arbitrage opportunities before they vanish into thin air. Share this video with your friends who are into crypto. Section 4, Step 4, Embrace the bots. Automating your way to crypto riches. Okay, I've said it before and I'll say it again. If you're serious about crypto arbitrage, automation isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Trying to manually execute arbitrage trades in today's fast-paced market is like trying to outrun a cheetah on foot. It's just not gonna happen. This is where our little digital friends, the arbitrage bots, come in to save the day and make us some money in the process. These bots are like the Ferraris of the trading world, sleek, powerful, and built for speed. They can monitor multiple exchanges simultaneously, 24/7, scanning for those elusive price discrepancies that make arbitrage trading so profitable. And the best part? They can execute trades much faster than any human ever could, ensuring you never miss out on a profitable opportunity due to slow fingers or hesitation. But the benefits of automation don't stop there. Arbitrage bots can also help you manage your risk more effectively by setting stop-loss orders and other risk management parameters. This ensures you're never risking more than you're comfortable with, even in the volatile world of cryptocurrency. So, ditch the manual trading and embrace the power of automation. Your portfolio and your sanity will thank you for it. Step 5. Don't be a stranger. Monitor, adjust, and conquer. Now, before you go setting your arbitrage bots loose and heading to the Bahamas, there's one crucial point I need to emphasize. Crypto arbitrage isn't a set-it-and-forget-it kind of deal. Even with the power of automation at your fingertips, it's essential to regularly monitor your trades, adjust your strategies, and stay informed about the ever-changing landscape of the cryptocurrency market. Think of your arbitrage bots as high-performance race cars. They might be incredibly fast and powerful, but they still need a skilled driver behind the wheel to navigate the track and avoid crashes. Regularly review your trading logs, analyze your performance, and make adjustments to your bot's parameters as needed. Stay up to date on market trends, news, and regulatory changes that could impact your trades. Remember, the cryptocurrency market is constantly evolving, and what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow, so stay vigilant, stay informed, and stay ahead of the game. Bonus tip: triangular arbitrage, because who doesn't love a good triangle? Alright, you've made it this far, so I'm gonna reward you with a little bonus tip. If you're feeling adventurous and want to take your arbitrage game to the next level, let me introduce you to the wonderful world of triangular arbitrage. This advanced strategy involves exploiting price differences between 3 different cryptocurrencies, rather than just 2. It's like regular arbitrage, but with an extra layer of complexity and profit potential. For example, you might spot an opportunity to buy Bitcoin at a lower price on one exchange, then use that Bitcoin to buy Ethereum at a discount on another exchange, and finally, sell that Ethereum for a profit on the first exchange. See? Triangles. Triangular arbitrage can be more complex and risky than traditional arbitrage, but it can also be more profitable. Just be sure to do your research, understand the risks involved, and start small until you're comfortable with the strategy. And there you have it. You're now well on your way to becoming a crypto arbitrage master. Remember, knowledge is power, and with the right tools, strategies, and a little bit of luck, you can turn those price discrepancies into sweet, sweet profits. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Learn how I make $500/day with crypto arbitrage in my sleep. Watch my YouTube video. Section 1. The Bot Bonanza, Choosing Your Digital Workforce. Alright folks, it's time to talk bots. And no, I don't mean those spammy accounts on Twitter trying to sell you fake Rolexes. I'm talking about those digital workhorses that can take your crypto arbitrage game from zero to hero. Choosing the right arbitrage bot is like picking a band for your wedding. You want something reliable, efficient, and hopefully won't run off with the silverware. There are a ton of options out there, each with its own strengths, weaknesses, and price tags. Some bots are like that friend who can build a computer from scratch, super powerful and customizable, but maybe a tad intimidating for beginners. Others are more like your tech-savvy grandma who can navigate Facebook like a pro, user-friendly, straightforward, and perfect for dipping your toes into the world of automation. Before you even think about handing over your crypto keys to a bot, do your due diligence. Read reviews, compare features, and maybe even take a few for a test drive with a demo account. Trust me, it's better to spend a little extra time up front than to wake up one morning and find out your bot has been making trades like a drunken gambler in Vegas. Remember, in the world of crypto arbitrage, the right bot can be your secret weapon, but the wrong one can leave you feeling like you just lost a game of Tetris with real money. Now, before you get too excited about all this bot-powered profit potential, let's have a quick reality check. The crypto world, while full of awesome opportunities, is also a breeding ground for scams, schemes, and shady characters looking to make a quick buck off unsuspecting newbies. It's like that time you went to buy a genuine Rolex from a guy in a back alley. Sure, it seemed like a steal at the time, but you probably ended up with a watch that couldn't tell time if its life depended on it. The same goes for crypto arbitrage bots. If something sounds too good to be true, like guaranteed 1000% returns overnight, it probably is. These scams often prey on people's greed and lack of experience, promising unrealistic results with little to no effort. So how do you avoid getting caught in the crypto quicksand? First and foremost, be skeptical. Don't trust any bot or platform that guarantees unrealistic returns or asks for your private keys. Legitimate bots will never ask for direct access to your funds. Do your research, read reviews from reputable sources, and be wary of any bot or platform that seems too pushy or too good to be true. Remember, in the world of crypto, if it walks like a duck, quacks like a duck, and promises to turn your $100 into $1 million overnight, it's probably a scam duck. Alright, enough with the scary scam talk. Let's get to the good stuff. The platforms and tools that can actually help you make money with crypto arbitrage. Now, I'm not gonna lie, there's no one-size-fits-all solution here. The best platform for you will depend on your individual needs, risk tolerance, and trading style. But after trying out a bunch of different options, and yes, even falling for a scam or two along the way, I've compiled a list of my top picks. Platforms that are reliable, user-friendly, and most importantly, won't run off with your crypto like a raccoon with a stolen wallet. These platforms offer a good balance of features, security, and pricing, making them suitable for both beginners and more experienced traders. They also have a proven track record of success, and are backed by reputable teams with experience in the crypto space. Remember, even with these recommended platforms, it's still crucial to do your own research, read reviews, and understand the risks involved before investing any money. But hey, at least you'll be starting off on the right foot, or should I say bot, and avoiding some of the common pitfalls that can trip up newcomers to the world of crypto arbitrage. Like and share if you found this video useful. Alright, my crypto comrades, we've covered a lot of ground today, from the exhilarating highs of profitable trades to the gut-wrenching lows of my $2,000 blunder. Still hurts to think about it. But before we wrap things up, let's condense all that wisdom into some bite-sized, actionable nuggets of crypto gold. Consider this your cheat sheet for navigating the exciting and sometimes treacherous world of crypto arbitrage. These are the hard-won lessons I wish someone had told me before I hit that buy button with reckless abandon. First and foremost, remember that knowledge is your most valuable asset in the crypto space. Don't fall for get-rich-quick schemes or blindly follow the hype train. Do your research, understand the risks involved, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Next, choose your exchanges and trading platforms wisely. Look for low fees, fast transaction speeds, high liquidity, and a user-friendly interface that doesn't make you want to pull your hair out. And speaking of not pulling your hair out, embrace the power of automation. Arbitrage bots can be your secret weapon for finding and capitalizing on those fleeting price discrepancies that make this strategy so profitable. Just remember to choose your bots carefully, like you're picking out a new roommate. You don't want one that eats all your food and steals your socks. Finally, never underestimate the importance of vigilance and ongoing learning. The crypto market is constantly evolving, so stay informed, adapt your strategies, and never stop learning. Remember, in the world of crypto, the only constant is change. So there you have it, my crypto arbitrage journey, warts and all. I hope that by sharing my experiences, both the triumphs and the facepalm moments, I've helped you gain a better understanding of this potentially lucrative but often misunderstood trading strategy. Remember, crypto arbitrage isn't a magic bullet to instant riches. It takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But with the right knowledge, tools, and a healthy dose of caution, you can navigate the crypto waters with confidence and potentially turn those price discrepancies into profits. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your biggest takeaways from today's video? Have you ever tried crypto arbitrage? What are your favorite bots, platforms, or strategies? Share your thoughts, questions, and crypto wisdom in the comments below. And hey, if this video saved you from making a costly mistake or just helped you level up your crypto game, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on future crypto adventures. Until next time, stay safe, stay informed, and may your trades be ever in your favor.